just a little bit more about you and your future. Do you think maybe a book would come out of this? A book that are you working on something like that based on the
I'm not.
trial?
Yeah, no, I'm not. Yeah, I mean, we've thought about that. I mean, Ben and I have joked that we should write a book together, maybe, about the trial. I feel like my story is maybe half written. I feel like there's still a lot left to do, and while the trial was a significant portion of my career, and I'm so proud of the work that we all did in that trial, because it was such a fantastic team of lawyers, from Brown Rudnick, and the client, obviously incredibly interesting, and a figure of our time and our generation. I think that the real story about who I am and my path is there's still more to be written and to be done. So maybe one day, but nothing in the works at the moment.
Got it. Well, yeah, right. If you did a book, it would probably focus mostly on the trial. But yeah, if you do it later on, you can incorporate more of your cases and other, issues that you want to bring into it. Would be great,
Yes.
I think.
But I do have a title in mind.
Okay.
I have a title in mind. Maybe one day.
That's good. That's good.
All the people, what they say to me.
Hey, that's important. If you've got the title, you can just write around the title and you'll be good to go.
There you go. Exactly.
Yeah. How about politics? Do you think you might get into politics at some point?
No, I
No?
don't think so.
A lot of
It's not.
lawyers do, so I thought I'd ask.
Yeah, no, I don't think so. I mean, never say never, but again, I'm a pretty private person, and I like operating in the private sector. So I think that that's probably more where you'll see me and my career is not in politics. But I've always thought that being an ambassador would be cool. I've always thought that would
Absolutely.
be very cool. Being able to live in a different country to represent our country, that would be very cool.
There you go. Yeah, that's like not really a politician. You're more of a diplomat, so that could work. Yeah.
Exactly.